Most trucks don't even survive 200,000 miles. But these trucks? They crossed 1 million miles. Flushed face and what they reveal might shock you. Modern trucks are more advanced than ever. Touchscreens, sensors, computers everywhere. But somehow, they don't last as long. Meanwhile, a few legendary trucks are proving something shocking. Simple machines last longer. The most famous million-mile truck in history is a 2007 Toyota Tundra. Owned by a man who drove over 1 million miles, with the original engine and transmission. Toyota engineers were so shocked, they took the truck apart, just to study it.